What's up, guys? Doing some more work on the B5 S4 here. Doing the coolant temperature sensors, the two green ones on the back. Pretty straightforward job. I did the other one already. I can show you guys that right now. Basically, all I did on this side was I took off the intake here, unclamped it. I did the downpipes not too recently, or not too long ago. And so all the wiring is kind of hanging around everywhere. So I did replace this one already. Unfortunately, I did break a piece off trying to get it in there. It was pretty corroded. The pipe's pretty corroded. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that around the sensor there, how it's a little orange. That's actually built up in rust. The pigtail itself is also broken from the previous owner. This is the old sensor that was in there. See how corroded that was? It was really hard to get it out. I had to like pry it out of there. And this is the O-ring. This is the O-ring. It's not even like rubber anymore, really. It's hard plastic almost. If I squeeze it, it'll just break. So that's the old O-ring. When I took out the sensor, O-ring sits right here on this little lip. The sensor came out only, just by itself. So I thought, I don't know why, but for some reason maybe this car in particular did not have O-rings on here. I don't know why I thought that, but it came out without it, so that's why I thought that. I watched actually a couple of other videos because I didn't know what was going on, and I was about to put the new sensor in there without the new O-ring. After watching, I obviously figured out that there was an O-ring. I just couldn't see it because of how corroded it was in there, and this blended in with the pipe. So once I got it out, I was able just to fit the new O-ring in, the new sensor, and just pushed it right on in there. Now for some reason this side's a little bit different. I don't know if it was replaced in the past, but this clip is metal or aluminum or something. On the other side, which I'm about to show you, the clip is plastic. So let me go to the other side. So that's that. I literally just took off the intake here, undid this thing here, and put the sensor in there. Maybe like 5 minutes or so. Coming over to the passenger side, or the driver's side, sorry. Moved over the coolant tank, and there's pretty easy access here. Like I said previously, I had just done the downpipes a few weeks ago, so all this stuff is kind of everywhere. I got to get it situated. But here's the other sensor. I'm going to go ahead and remove this one and replace it. So basically there's this little retaining clip here, little plastic one right here. I got to get that moved so that I can get the sensor out. Okay. Let's see here. I'm using a flathead. I'll get the clip out of there. If these are in good condition, I mean, you can reuse them. This one's in, it's okay. I'll probably replace it at some point. But for now, it'll do. Maybe I'll find me another metal one. But this one looks okay. It's not too bad. I'll just go ahead and clean it up and put it back in. So now this should be able to come out, unless it's like the other one where it was very hard to come out. Let's see if I can get it out. Yeah, that one's gonna, looks like it's gonna give me a little bit of trouble too. Seems like they got all seized up in there from the rust and whatnot. I don't know what's going on with that. Okay, got the sensor off. Oh, that's not good. Let's see. That's a 2-pin sensor. And the sensor I have here is a 4-pin. So that's not gonna work out. That is weird. That is very weird.
Who are you talking to?
Don't mind my sister. She's It's okay. I'm talking to you guys. Don't worry about her. So yeah, I guess that is gonna stay there because that's a 2-pin and this is a 4-pin. So I'm gonna have to see what's up with that. Did not expect it. I mean, so, well, that's basically it. How to replace them. I'm gonna have to return that one and get the proper one, unless that one is, no, because the pigtail is a 2-pin. Okay, well, that's that. I got the other one replaced. Next video, I'm gonna be doing the aux fan switch sensor. I gotta get this one going again. So go ahead and like, share, comment if you have any questions, of course. I'm just learning myself, so I'm doing these videos as I go. Just trying to help out the S4 B5 S4 community, you know, trying to get things going, because every time I look something up, there ain't much there to find. So I'm trying to help out as much as I can. If you have any tips or maybe know why this one's a little bit different than the other one, go ahead and comment. I'm actually going to do my own research and see why that is. But for now, I got the one replaced, and that's better than nothing. So I will see you guys next time.